Hi guys, it's Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about a way where you can add some pizzazz to your kitchen with a real simple look. So as you can see underneath this bar area, they added a real sassy fun tile. This is fairly inexpensive because it's not a large space, but they have really fun tiles at Floor & Decor that you can choose just to add some sass to your kitchen. I personally love this, and as you can see, this backsplash that's down here below the bar is different than the backsplash in the kitchen, so they do not have to match, they just have to complement one another. And that is Fancy Fridays for today. I hope everyone is living just fancier.